That was where Mick should be jumping on him. Oh, he's hurt. Oh, Mick's down.
1, 2, 3.
Beautiful.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.
Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Maraming Pinoy boxer ang dumadayo sa ibang bayan para gawing pataba lang ng kartada ng kalaban. At ang iba pang laban ay para sa isang bakanting titulo. Sa videong ito, pag-usapan natin ang naging upset win ng isang Pinoy boxer sa bansang Australia. Di lang basta nanalo, kundi nakuha pa niya ang bakanting titulo. August 25, 2016. Inasahan ni Roberto Uyan itong Australian Super Lightweight Champion na si Mick Show para sa isang 10-rounder na laban para sa bakanting World Boxing Foundation Asia Pacific Lightweight title. Ginawa ang laban sa Queensland, Australia. Bit-bit ni Mick Show ang record na 22 wins, 7 losses, 1 draw. 7 dito via knockout, may edad na 30, habang ang Pinoy na si Roberto Uyan ay may di kagandahang kartada na 16 wins, 27 losses, 4 draws, 5 dito via knockout at may edad na 24. Singtangkad lang ang dalawa at parehong orthodox ang style nila. Dahil sa record ditong Pinoy na di kagandahan, ay tila iniisip na ng karamihan na sureball na ang panalo at ang titulo para sa Australiano. Pero maraming nagkamali sa maling akala dahil kabaliktaran ang nangyari sa ibabaw ng lona. Isang pusong Pinoy ang pinakita ni Roberto Uyan sa bakbakan. Kahit lihado sa mata ng karamihan ay pinatunayan niyang di basta-basta ang Pinoy kung makipaglaban. Sabay nating balikan ang maaksyon nilang bakbakan. Sa mga early rounds ng laban, magandang palitan agad ang ipinakita ng dalawa pero mas agresibo itong Pinoy. Sumusugod habang magagandang counter naman ang binibigay ng Australiano.
Yep, without a doubt. And as Australia now, and if Mick Shaw has taken this lightly, then he's in for a hard night. With a nice 1-2. But he's got a heart like no other. Nice right hand there from Mick.
Don't hold and hit, Mick.
Uyan's danger punch, Chris, when you fought him, or what were you worried about?
The overhand right.
That won him the fight against Matty Powell.
Yep, I missed that fight. I was a bit busy. He decides to stay here. Oh, did he clip Mick there?
Yeah, caught him with a left hook, mate.
It's not a good thing.
We're straight back into round 2 here.
You can see Robert Uyan doesn't take a backward step. Gets hit, he'll just come straight back.
With some very classy boxers and some big. Most punters out there pick Duolog as the
Strong all these Filipino boxers. If you stand and trade, well, you're going to be in some trouble.
Mick has
Control of the fight. Nice jab, but nice comeback. Uyan's very crafty. Oh, did he get Mick Shaw there? I
He
think
might have
got
caught him with
the
Mick
right
Shaw
hand.
as he's just come into screen.
Ooh, and again, this Robert Uyan's looking very dangerous now. Still give Mick Shaw that last round as well for a couple of good overhand rights as he goes for.
But Mick Shaw just doesn't seem to be spotting a couple.
Pero sa round na ito, huli sa isang left hook itong Australiano at bagsak ito.
Oh, this.
Oh, Mick's down.
Oh, he's been caught for left.
Bagamat nakatayo pa siya, ay di na ito nilubayan ng Pinoy. Pinaulanan ng sandamakmak na kombinasyon pero talagang matibay itong Australian champion. Sumasabay talaga sa basagan.
The punch knocked him down to the ground.
Oh, he's letting them go now, Robert Uyan.
I think Uyan can sense an upset here.
I think so. Oh, he's got Mick again for left hook. Get them hands up, Mickey.
When a guy's coming at you, Chris, so wild and woolly, do you look to...
He's back to the ropes, and it's perfect.
Uyan just looking to measure Mick. He's caught him with that right hand.
Yeah, Mick's moving the wrong way at the moment. That's better. Get back to centre now, Mick. Nice right hand. Oh, he's a dangerous fighter, Robert Uyan, for anyone. He's living Australian life. And
Oh, Robert Uyan thought the bell had rung there, and Mick Shaw's jumped on him. Move into the 4th round of Mick Shaw versus Robert Uyan.
you've got to give that round to Robert Uyan, obviously.
And for those of you who watched last week, obviously Chris...
I trained so hard for the fight and I had so many people behind me, so it was really good to pull that off the way it came off.
We've seen your results from last time when you got the microphone in your hand.
Oh, that's the punch I was just talking about at the start of the program. where Owen will slip the jab and come back to the right hand. This is better. Mick Shaw's got to keep him here. It's dangerous. Nice left hook there from Robert Owen.
Be a little flat here at the moment.
Yeah, he's just
Doesn't seem to be moving well on his feet or.
Round 4, bagsak na naman ang Australiano mula sa isang kombinasyon ng Pinoy. Buti na lang na save by the bell pa siya dito.
That was where Mick should be jumping on him. Oh, he's hurt. Oh, Mick's down. Beautiful overhand right from
I
Robert
think he
Owen.
caught him with the left as well to finish him off.
Mick's still very hurt.
The bell's rung.
Fifth round, ilang beses pang naalog itong kalaban pero matibay, nakatayo pa rin at sumasabay.
Mick should be trying to really lock him up, and as you can see, the heart of Mick Shaw, he's trying to fight with him.
He's trapped in that corner and Owen will not let him out of there.
Oh my God.
Both of these boys are throwing alpha leather.
Oh, Mick's looking, he's been caught again, he's hurt again, Mick.
He is just not seeing that big right hand come over the top at him.
Nah. Oh, he's in trouble. Mick's got to lock him up.
Derek Millam having a very close look. He may call this off here in a second.
Well, Mick's not punching back, and that's when he will jump in, as he's just said.
And he comes back.
Robert Owen. Unbelievable power and strength and fight in him. He's just trying to crowd Mick to the rope now and let the bombs go.
Well, with Mick now being down twice and copping plenty of punishment, this is what he needs to do to
Mick
come.
Shaw, he's got Robert Owen. Oh, but Owen comes back.
Tavern, great place for the fights.
Oh. When he throws them, Robert Owen. They're coming from the Philippines. It's what he's got to do it for him. Keep him away from him and not trade. He's been caught again with the right end. He looks hurt again, Mick. Can hear Glenn Azar in the background telling him to keep him there and keep going. That's better from Mick Shaw. Oh, nice uppercut.
Well, as the end of the round 5 comes on, Robert Owen is all over Mick Shaw. Very lucky to survive that last round. Mick Shaw down, and Mick Shaw cannot get away from those ropes.
Onto the rope then. He got centre ring. Oh, he's been caught for left hook.
That left hook has been telling tonight. He has landed.
Oh, that's very... Oh. Robert Owen's back on there. Handle yourself. And the fighting's the easy part. Landed the more stronger blows.
So Mick probably now is thinking
if he can win these next 4 rounds. Oh, but he's being caught again for left.
Round 7, bagsak sa pangatlong pagkakataon itong Australian champion pero agad naman itong bumangon.
As you can see, Mick's just moving from one rope to the other rope. Oh, he's down.
He's called that a knockdown.
Oh, I didn't see any telling blow there.
The one was a clear knockdown.
Oh, that was a very, very big knockdown, that one. He's got Mick backing up again. You'll see Mick go to another rope.
Mick Shaw
is what Mick Shaw's got to do, but he's got to get to centre ring again. You see he's gone straight back to the rope again. Nice work, Mick Shaw. Oh, he's being tagged with a huge left hook. Mick's in serious trouble again. Oh, and a right hand. Jeez, tough Mick Shaw.
Sa huling minuto ng 7th round, tinamaan na naman ng solido itong Australiano pero di counted as knockdown dahil sa likod daw ng ulo ito tinamaan.
Owen is just waiting. He's caught him in the back of the head there, I think.
I think it was the first right hand had him hurt, and then he did tag him in the back of the head.
Robert Owen believes he's won. The referee has called it a foul. Owen's celebrating like he's won the...
No, I read it was no knockdown.
Pero sa huling segundo, sinigurado na ni Roberto sa pool ng solidong kanan ang pagmumukha ni Mick Shaw. Bagsak ulit ito sa pangalimang pagkakataon at tinigil na rin agad ng referee ang laban dahil talagang wala nang kalaban-laban itong Australiano.
Shots from Robert Owen. Oh, and he's tagged Mick. Oh, Mick's down again. Big right hand.
That's enough. Derek Millam has said that's enough. Glenn Azar jumps into the ring to save Mick Shaw.
Upset win ang naging resulta. panalo ang Pinoy na si Roberto Uyan via 7th round TKO at nakuha pa niya ang bakanting titulo.
Cullen, thank you very much, Chris. I will look forward to seeing your next fight at October 27 at the Man.
Huwag kalimutang i-like ang ating video at pakipindot na rin ang subscribe button kung ikaw ay bago para umabot na tayo sa 200,000 dito sa munting tahanan ko. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping pirmi.